Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 40. The rate for a 1.20 meter wide carpet is rupees 40 per meter. Find the cost of covering a hall which is 45-meter long and 32-meter wide with this carpet. Fine, this is first part. Second part is also find the cost of carpeting the same hall if the carpet 8 centimeter wide is at rupees 25 meter per meter. Now we have to cover a hall, right, which is 45-meter long and 32-meter wide. Fine, with a carpet. Now the carpet is 1.20 meter wide. This is the length of the carpet, which could be anything, right? But the width of the carpet will remain the same. If you take 10 meter, the width will be same. If you take 20 meter, the width will be remain same. The width will not change, and the cost per meter of the carpet is the cost of the length, is the cost for the length, right? This you have to understand. How much length you take. If I take 20 meter, I will be charged accordingly, like 40 per meter. So 1 meter cost is 40 rupees. So if I take 20, it is 20 into 40, because the width of the carpet does not change. Fine. So the width will remain same if you take 20, 30 meter, 20 meter, 40 meter length. The length will keep on changing, the width will not change. So this you have to keep in mind. Now what is the solution? Let's write the solution. Now you have to carpet this hall which is 45 meter long and 32 meter in width with this carpet. That means the whole area of this hall has to be covered with the whole area of the carpet. That means area of the hall needs to be same with the area of the carpet which you are buying. Then only the carpet will cover the whole hall. Then only therefore, what is the condition? Area of the hall has to be equal to the area of the carpet. Let the length of the carpet which you take, length of the carpet required, how much length will be required to carpet the whole hall be X. So area of the hall, that is 45 into 32, is the area of the hall, meter square. Now area of the carpet, what will be the area of the carpet? Length is X, which I am taking, and what is the width of the particular carpet? It's 1.20. So length into width is the area of the carpet. Now area of the carpet has to be equal to area of the hall. So 45 into 32 is equal to X into 1.20. Now we will solve for X. 45 into 32 and 1.20 come this side. These zeros will get removed. Sorry, decimal will get removed by putting zeros. This zero cancelled. Now you can cut it with 4. 8 4s are 32, and this 3 same. 3 1s are 3, 15. Fine. Now we will solve 15 into 8 into 10 is equal to X. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1200 is X. So therefore, what is the length of the carpet? The length of the carpet which you are taking, how much length of the carpet is required to cover that area? 1200 meter. So what will be the cost of this? Cost of the carpet will be how much? It depends on the length you take, not on the width. So cost of the carpet. So what is the cost of the carpet given in the question? We'll see that it is rupees 40 per meter. So 1 meter cost you rupees 40. Therefore 1200 meter will cost you 40 into 1200, right? This is 48,000 rupees. Now the second case. What is the second case saying? The second case is saying also find the cost of carpeting the same hall if the carpet is 80 centimeter wide. Here it is in centimeter and here the money is given in 25 rupees per meter is the cost. Again the same concept we will apply here. Area of the carpet should be equal to area of the hall. What is the width of this new carpet? The other carpet, it is 80 centimeter, that is 0.8 meter. We divide by 100. We know this. To change centimeter into meter, we divide by 100. So this is the width of the carpet. Let the length of the carpet be y over here. So we know 0.8 into y, that is the area of the carpet, is equal to the area of the room, the floor, that is 45 into 32 is the area of the floor. Fine. So now y is the length of the carpet, 0.8 is the width, and this is the area of the room. So we will calculate y. The length required to cover the whole room will be how much? This decimal goes out and 10 comes on the top. 8 4s are 32. 5 4s are 20. 1800 meter. So what, therefore, what is the length? The length of the carpet required. The length of the carpet. How much length of the carpet is required to cover it? It is 1800 meter, right? So we know that the width of the carpet does not change, only the length keep on changing. Fine. How much ever length you want, you can take. The width will remain the same. So cost, we know what is the cost of this carpet. It is rupees 25 per meter. This is the price of the carpet. So 1 meter is costing you rupees 25. So therefore 1800 meter will cost you 25 into 1800, that is 45,000. So what is the cost of the new carpet, which is in the width of 80 centimeter? It is 45,000. So this is how we calculate. First we calculate the length of the carpet required by the concept that area of the hall has to be equal to area of the carpet, where the carpet ka width will not change, only the length keep on changing. So that length we will find and then we will calculate it with the price given. So this is how we calculate the price of the carpet required.